Hi, my name is Maya, and I will be your guide today to help you make a children coloring book and sell it on Amazon KDP from scratch. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of creating and selling kids' coloring books using AI. Let's explore the steps together. Please stay with me till the end of this video, and let's make together a children coloring book. Did you know a simple kids coloring book can make over $10,000 a month on Amazon KDP? There are not only kids coloring book category, you can also go for adult coloring books. Animal coloring books where all wild and pet animals can be used. You can go for kids and educational coloring book. Kids like animals and parents like alphabet and number books. It's a great option. You can go for pattern coloring books for adults, tattoos coloring books, Christmas coloring books, Halloween book theme. You can choose which coloring book you want to make, patterns or seasonal like Valentine and spring vibrant home scene color books. You can make all wild and pet bird options, use beautiful and vibrant color birds, etc. Yes, it's possible. I will tell you how. Follow the steps exactly. Do exactly as I'm doing. There are only 4 steps. 1. Find a theme for your coloring book. 2. Generate images of animals or birds. 3. Design the pages in Canva. Then, publish your book. The first step is to find the theme you want for your coloring book, like wild animals, birds, fairy tales, or superheroes. Select a theme that is more colorful, vibrant, or select the bestseller category. Check in Amazon which coloring book are in demand. If you find it difficult to find what theme to choose, just go to Amazon. You can see themes like animals and dinosaurs are highlighted as bestsellers. After selecting the theme, let's go to generate the images. Go to Coloring Book Image Prompt Generator. I've used GravityWrite, Leonardo AI, and even iColorling AI to generate these images. You can choose which one works best for you. There are only 4 steps. First, find a theme for your coloring book. Then, generate the images animals or birds. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. The steps are: 1. Find theme of coloring book. 2. Generate images of the animals or birds. 3. Design the pages in Canva. Publish your book. While selecting the theme, please check the total sales the product has made and the total number of reviews it has received, the stories. For this, you can also use an app called Seller App. You can download it from Play Store. Create new, then category, then age group, etc. Fill the options as per your theme. The AI has generated these fun animal images. Here's a colorful elephant and a black and white outline. I will type the animal prompt now. The projector shows a gray baby elephant and an uncolored one. We can fill in the outlined one. I am going to type in a new prompt. 2 beautiful peacocks, 1 colored, and the other just the outline. And here it is. To design the pages of our coloring book, there are 3 steps. Set the size, upload images, then design the coloring book pages. Now let's download it in a folder in your computer. Now, with a few clicks, watch as we generate over a dozen unique coloring pages right before your eyes. Let's switch to Cover and Pages design tool called Canva. Select the option New Project, Page Size, Pages Design, Page Know the animal or bird name, etc. as per your requirement. Each page should look like this so that children can see the colorful image and then color the uncolored image. Now let's download all the pages with animals and birds' name on the top of the pages. Let's run this. Switch to cover of your coloring book. Let's switch to cover of your coloring book. Enter title, write a short summary, and AI will generate a colorful cover for your book. Let's switch to cover of your coloring book. Enter title, write a short summary. AI has generated a beautiful cover for our book. And remember, when you generate the pages, keep one page blank and print your image on the other side. Remember, the book should have at minimum 30 pages and maximum 80 pages as per Amazon guidelines. Remember, when you generate the book, it has to be 8.5 by 11 inches only, as Amazon accepts coloring books which are 5 by 11 inches. Now, let's look at the size of the book as per Amazon guidelines. See the Canva workspace? Drag and drop the images here. Click Duplicate Page button, show page duplicated, left page kept blank for coloring to avoid bleed, generate pages in sequence. Let's convert this presentation into a fun and shareable format. Just a few clicks. Now let's see the result. Look at that. I've finished the coloring books and saved them in this folder, ready to upload. Take a look at the cover and let's scroll through some of the pages. We have completed the third step. And now behold the incredible animal coloring pages we've created. They're perfect, high quality, and ready to be enjoyed. If you are happy with your book, let's publish. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Here's how our animals and birds coloring book will look when printed. See the file upload, the cover, and now the preview. File upload animation. Coloring book PDF and cover image uploaded. Progress bars complete. Preview opens. Our animal and bird coloring book is ready to be published on Amazon. Go to Amazon KDP, click Join, fill in your full details, name, address, state, country, etc. Welcome to the KDP tutorial. Today we'll walk through creating your account step by step. Let's start with signing in or creating an Amazon account. Once you are done, a smooth infographic showing pricing setup, Amazon's cut, printing cost, profit breakdown with clear numbers are shown. The projector shows a folder on screen with the animal coloring book we created. Our coloring book is uploaded on Amazon KDP. Set your book price, royalties, etc. Once you are done, click on Publish. Now our book will go for review. After that, it will go live on Amazon. Once your coloring book is live, you can share the link in all social media platforms. Once your coloring book is live, you can share the link in all social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Go ahead and start creating your children coloring book. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I hope you like this video. If so, leave a comment below.